Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I have the UCO Switch Spork Utensil set. Now I saw Cheryl from Cheryl's DIY Fun do a little review on this, and I was intrigued by it because I love everything UCO. But I said to myself, do I really need another utensil set? I have my K-bar, which is spoon, the fork, can opener, and this folds up neatly. And you take all of this and they attach together. You have it, nice little set, and I like them so much I actually have two of them. This one's brand new. But then I started to think about the weight. So I actually weighed it. And the K-bar is 6.3 ounces or 180 grams. Compared to this UCO, 30 grams and 1.1 ounce. That's a big difference. So I had to get one. And it's not really a spork. I mean, a spork would be a spoon with a cutout to make it a spork. So it has a little knife here, and like she said, it's pretty sharp. I'm gonna have to test this out with a nice steak. But so you can use it separately like this, your spoon and your fork, or you could take this and it snaps in there, and you could leave it like this. And as she said, it makes it longer. And I'll tell you what, it's pretty tough plastic. The tines are pretty sharp, and I think it's going to work out okay. Goes together like that. Has this little elastic band, so you can put that through there. Put it on your pack, and it was I think it was like $5. I picked it up in Walmart. That was the cheapest place. So if I had some kind of conveyance and I was going somewhere, you know, I would definitely bring my K-bar. But if you're trying to get out for a day, you know, a little day hike, and you're concerned with the weight, this thing looks like it'll do the trick. I mean, big difference, a big difference. So hopefully in the future I have some MREs I'd like to review. I never did one before, and I like watching people do those reviews. So I'll use this with that, and we'll see how it goes. So there you go. The UCO Switch. So thanks everyone for watching. Cheryl, thank you for showing me that. I didn't even know they existed. And like always everyone, I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments, and I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.